It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, best straight.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon, Air Jordan Retro 1 Low OG. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, where I will be putting the fit together with these right here, man. I do feel like I got a banger for this one right here, man. Now, in today's video, I will be giving you guys a full detailed review and throwing these bad boys on feet. These sneakers right here will be releasing on January 24th, 2024 for a suggested retail of $160. Now, unlike the ones that have come out previously, this one right here is not going to be numbered and it has more of a wide release. Ha! Now, of course, this one does have really nice box presentation. When it comes to these right here, I love the vibes of them, especially because we talking about the Year of the Dragons, man, which we will go in depth with this box right here. But yes, man, I picked this pair off of GOKU for the early look. Some people already caught the early unboxing and everything when we talked about these sneakers and everything like that, but that's not what you guys are here for today. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn the camera around. We're gonna get this full detailed review, and then we're gonna throw these bad boys on feet. And when I throw them on feet, man, listen, y'all, I went on ahead, you guys can see in the thumbnail, if you guys are new to the channel or if you guys are returning, I went on ahead and throw this weak ass red denim on that I got, man. You know what I'm saying? Just stay away from they little bundle pack, man. Them joints, they not hitting for the way that I thought that they would be. Let's go ahead and turn the camera around and jump straight into this thing. Idiot! So something really cool about this one is actually the box presentation. I mean, you got like the scale type vibes on these, just like Dragon scales, man. Nice Nike check with the Nike on the front, man. Right here we have Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG CNY Sail Cedar Oil Green. Also having some dope tissue paper with these. Box presentation is very key to me, man, especially when you come delivering something like this, being the Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon, and continuing their scheme with having things to match up with the scheme. You know, last year with the Year of the Rabbits, you had like the fuzzy type laces in them joints, man, and I think that's dope. Now, you do have a translucent sole on the bottom of the sneaker right here. You guys can see your regular Air Jordan 1 low or high bottom right here, but translucent vibes with these. I ain't gonna really call it icy though, you feel me? Now, taking a look, you guys can see on the midsole, we have a sellish off-white type vibe to the midsole, and then moving in to checking out the outer panel of the sneaker, you guys can see you do get this, like, I would call it more so, it's like a shiny type vibe when it comes to the check, man, on the inner and outer panel of the sneaker, and it is in like a burgundy type vibe with burgundy laces in the sneaker as well. You don't get an extra set of laces, white toe box, white going up, and then you get hit with on the tongue, man. Something I think is dope is that on the tongue they gave you that matching for the inside of the sock liner with that satin silver. You have like the silver on the outline of the tongue with the burgundy, and kind of like when it comes to the Nike Air, it's not really gold, but it has like a goldish type tint to it. Now, taking a closer look at the check, you guys can see that burgundy check, man, with the shiny tint to it. Satin sock liner on the inside. You do have a burgundy insole. You have this emblem right here, which will play key when I show you the rest of the review as we move forward, with the gold in the jump, man. Now right here you guys can see on the back, gold on the back right there, Air Jordan Wings logo with the burgundy stitching on it. I think that is definitely a vibe that makes the sneaker pop. Now, during the Chinese New Year, they do give money, should I say, normally inside of an envelope. So you have a red envelope, and inside the envelope you have this dope hang tag that you guys will see. That is the emblem that is on the inside of the sneaker. And right here, a nicer closer look at that. But y'all already know the vibes, man. Let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on feet. Enjoy the banger by the BROSKI NEMO bands. Get it!
My bag is gone. Soon as she had me a song. Right for my dog if he right or he wrong. These niggas don't know you can die for songs. Hanging outside, don't know when I be home. Talking about action, we stay with the chrome. First thing out my pocket, it won't be my phone. If niggas don't duck her, cause one of they don't. Been Creeping with shawty, she live all alone. It's her and somebody stay in the room. Little bitch, she get geeky when she out the shrooms. We leaving the club, she be up at the 2. I call her little buddy, we fucking, she cool. Bitch, wet as the ocean, we fucking the poop. She done ghost me before, but she still my little boo. Put the gun in the purse, so I know it. I know how I feel to be down in the struggle. I know how I feel to come up with your brother. She come with a friend, I'ma fuck them together. She pull in the Benz, I pull up in the Tesla. Keep it together, get put on the stretcher. Be run them demons like I'm close with the devil. I'm being me, I ain't on all that extra. Put on their neck, better know I won't let her. Better tell them to step up. Pressing you niggas, they can't take the pressure. Fuck was you thinking? Hit it this morning, ignore it this evening. Can't see through the tit, they don't know where we been. These bitches will switch on and off like the season. They didn't believe till I gave them a reason. Don't play me like them, you should know that I'm different. My testing on cap, but no cap in my sense. We take all the chicken and feed on the biscuit. We argue and fuck, man, I swear she don't listen. Don't bring none of your friends unless you know that they with it. I stay with her raw for real, I'm God for real. She can get hard for real. No, I'm not off for pills, she off them still. Shawty be lost for real. Could give them sauce for real, like nah for real. But it's gon' cost for real. Can't go to sleep with fresh off for drill. Do this shit for my kids if I die, it's been real. Hope I see them grow up, go to school, make a meal. No, I don't play no sports, but I stay on the field. Bro on the cut, he just waiting to kill. I know how I feel to be down in the struggle. I know how I feel to come out with your brother. She come with a friend, I'ma fuck them together. She pull in the Benz, I pull up in the Tesla. Keep it together, get put on the stretcher. Be run them demons like I'm close with the devil. I'm being me, I ain't on all that extra. My foot on their neck, better know I won't let her. Better tell them to step. Pressing you niggas, they can't take the pressure.
Enjoyed the full detailed review and on feet of the Air Jordan Retro 1 Year of the Dragon, man. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, for these to be coming out with a more wide release, kind of like how we saw with the Chinese New Year 6s, 13s, 5s, you know what I'm saying? Like, they seem to bring that back around this year. And I mean, we did have a limited pair. It was the Air Jordan Retro 2, which was a women's release. Those are numbered. And I mean, they gave us some dope accessories with these, man. Continue to hit you with a crazy dope vibe to the sneakers, man. We do get this little hang tag, which I think is dope. Of course, I touched on it in the video, matched the inside right here. I think that that's nice. And you know, the little red card, which I think that's dope too, and having the emblem right there on the back as well. And you got the dragon on there as well. So, you know, nice little touch. Box presentation on point, mimicking the dragon scales, just like how you have on the Air Jordan 1 upper of these right here. I think that the craftsmanship on these was on point. I do dig the vibes that you kind of have like that translucent white bottom when it comes to the sole. But yeah, man, y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions when it comes to these. Is this a copper? Is this a drop for you guys? These will be releasing tomorrow over on the sneakers app. $160 for the suggested retail. Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions. How do you feel about Jordan Brand dropping crazy amount of sneakers this year for the Year of the Dragon? Are you going after another one and you're just not going after this one? I know they got Spitz Ice, they got the Air Jordan 2. I want to say they got a Legacy or something like that. But y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these, man. I will spin the pictures for you guys. It is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Make sure, if you guys are not, follow your boy over on Instagram, where you guys can check out the dope fit combination with these right here, man. And make sure, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, man. All the love and support is greatly appreciated as we get to rocking in 2024. But y'all already know the vibes, man. Until the next video, peace, love, and Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, dead stressed and I don't even try. Take all my Jordans and forces away from me and watch a young nigga still killing.